business research and reporting using ChatGPT, Make, and Slack, both free to use, a practical guide for business teams without the need for coding. For this tutorial, we'll build a weekly competitor intelligence report, one of the most universally valuable recurring research workflows for any business team. The same structure applies to any research topic you want to automate. Step 1. Define exactly what your report needs to cover. Why it matters? Vague research produces vague reports. Before writing a single prompt, defining precisely what your report must cover is what separates a useful weekly intelligence brief from a generic collection of loosely related information. This step takes 5 minutes and determines the quality of everything that follows. Step 2. Build and test your research prompt in ChatGPT. Why it matters. ChatGPT produces dramatically better research output when given a structured prompt that specifies the subject, scope, time frame, and desired output format. A well-built prompt turns ChatGPT from a general assistant into a dedicated research analyst that delivers a formatted, consistent report on demand every single time. What to do? Go to ChatGPT and sign into your free account. Next, start a new chat. Make sure web search is enabled. Look for the search icon in the chat interface and confirm it's active. Paste your research prompt using this structure. Review the output carefully, check for accuracy, relevance, and format consistency. If anything is off, refine your prompt and run it again until the output meets your standard. Expected result, a structured 3-section intelligence brief formatted exactly as you specify, ready to distribute or paste into a report document with no additional formatting work. Save your research prompt as a reusable template. Why it matters? The goal of research automation is consistency, the same quality report every time without rebuilding the prompt from scratch each week. Saving a tested, refined prompt as a reusable template is what transforms a one-time research exercise into a repeatable, automated workflow anyone on your team can run. Once your commands produce consistent and good output, copy the final version. Save it in a shared team location like Google Docs, Notion, or your team's knowledge base. The next step is to automate weekly deliveries with Make. Connecting ChatGPT to Make via the OpenAI integration is what completes the automation. The report runs on a defined schedule and the output is delivered automatically to your team's Slack channel, email inbox, or Google Doc without anyone initiating it. But before you start with Make, first get your OpenAI API key. Click Create New Secret Key. Give it a name like My Key Voucher Make, or up to you. Copy the key immediately and save it somewhere safe. You will only see it once. Important: new OpenAI accounts come with free credits. Once those run out, you'll need to add a small amount of credit to keep using the API. The cost per research report is typically fractions of a cent. Okay, now we go to Make and click Create a New Scenario. Click the large plus button in the center of the canvas, search for Schedule, and select it. Configure the schedule. Run scenario. Select every week in day of week. Select your preferred day. In time, set the time you want the report delivered. Time zone, select your local time zone. Click OK to save the trigger. Click the plus icon to the right of your schedule module. Search for OpenAI in the module search panel. Select the action, Create a Chat Completion. This is the correct action for GPT models. Do not select Create a Completion, as that uses older models. Click Add to create a new connection. In the connection setup, connection name, type any name, e.g. OpenAI Research. API key, paste the API key you copied earlier. And next, click Save. Now configure the module settings. Model. Select GPT-4o Mini. For the Roles section, select System for a prompt input message like this. For the Token section, just select 1000. This is to save costs. Once everything is filled in, click Save. Then let's try running the module. Okay, it seems to be working fine. Now let's set up the delivery module. We will choose Slack to receive the research results. Search for Slack and select Create a Message. Connect your Slack account when prompted. In the Channel section, select the Slack channel where the report will be posted. If you feel everything is complete, please click Save. Okay, let's run the Slack module. Does it work? Yes, it looks like we succeeded. Now let's check our Slack account. Has the message been sent? Oh yes, it turns out it's as we expected. The message has been automatically sent to our Slack channel. If our reporting and research system is established and running smoothly, we can now invite our team to join our Slack channel. Besides connecting to Slack channels, you can also connect multiple applications with Make. One example is Gmail. A fully automated reporting workflow runs according to your schedule. Each week, Make triggers the OpenAI module. ChatGPT generates a research report, and the report is automatically sent to your Slack or Gmail. No manual intervention required. AI research automation with ChatGPT and Make makes this achievable for any business team, regardless of size or budget. Okay, that's it for this tutorial from NetPicks. See you in the next video.